Hi, everyone. I am Professor Alex Akpodiete, and welcome to CJUST 314, Cybersecurity. I'm excited to be here again. I've been teaching this course for about 6 years. Now, this is going to be the 7th semester. So, over the next 18 weeks, we'll investigate how the internet became both a vital tool and a battleground. So each week blends videos, discussions, and some hands-on labs. So be ready to configure maybe multi-factor authentication, analyze real attack logs, and even draft your own incident response. So in addition to my academic background, I bring global industry experience across cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, digital forensics, and even law. So I've worked and trained professionals in multiple continents, including North America, the Middle East, and Africa. So my goal is basically to share not just theory, but real-world perspectives to help you prepare for today's dynamic cyber landscape. This year, we've added a special module on the impact of AI in cybersecurity to reflect critical industry trends from AI-enhanced defenses to threats posed by deepfake, intelligent malware. So don't worry, no prior hacking or coding experience is required. I just need you to bring your curiosity and willingness to engage. Now, so I need to be checking your Canvas periodically, both for week 1, and I need you to also introduce yourself to the forum. I look forward to exploring the front lines of cyber with you for the rest of 15 weeks. But let me kind of show you something, because sometimes some students are a little confused. I need to walk you through some of these things in here. Let me share a little some of my screen in here and show you what we're going to be doing. We are using UCertify, their quizzes, their lab environment, because I don't just believe in teaching cybersecurity from a theoretical perspective. I need you to have some practical experience. And yes, I know I have students from different backgrounds. That's the thing about this course. I end up getting students in accounting, criminal justice, even students, some of you have no prior tech background or very limited tech background. So the whole idea is to see how we can accommodate everybody. But the module I'm going to be using, as I said, the platform is UCertify. So let's see how it looks for you. And I need you have to buy the access code from the bookstore. When you log on, you might see, let's see here. Your interface might be a little different, but on UCertify, either you're going to see section A or section B. You have a lot of lessons and a lot of labs in here. And you will see each chapter has quizzes. There's 14 lessons or 14 chapters, but really chapter 1 doesn't have any labs. So chapter 2 to 14 have labs. And then also on the syllabus, I need you to pay attention. This is not a course that you do at your own pace. It is asynchronous online, but I have specific due dates for your assignments. So please make sure that you do the assignments when they are due. Let's see the syllabus here. That's the date of the course. You see on here recommended text. That is the UCertify material. I give you some supplemental readings and tools. The learning objectives are pretty much laid out here. Threats, vulnerability, everything. So please go through the syllabus in depth. There are course resources or requirement. There'll be a grading scheme, but specifically when we start on August 18, you have some specific things that I've done. You got the lesson 1 and the due date and the quizzes, everything. So please go through them. And then, of course, we have a fall break. There's nothing due on the fall break. And then you have a final project and then a final exam that is cumulative, about 90 questions. For your final project, I will describe it for you later on, but also give you an appendix as a guide towards the final project. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. It is an online course, but I'm available via WhatsApp, or if you want to have Zoom meetings, I'm very, very available via Zoom meeting. But the easiest way to reach me clearly is via WhatsApp, because I travel a lot for my cybersecurity and consulting business. But I'm happy to be here. So excited to see everybody. See you online. We'll start next week.